Looks like she's playing dead.
Playing possum. Tickle the belly.
Get with it,
Hi, Daisy.
She doesn't like the earplugs?
She's having more fun with the grass.
Oh.
She's got a lot of distractions right at the moment. Grass, oh, this is new, I like it, woo!
That's called grass.